Meenmutty is the tallest waterfall in Wayanad. A long day's trek through the million shades of green will take you to the spectacular Meenmutty Waterfall. The murmurs of the river follow your footsteps through the forest all the way to the falls. The force of water striking the dark rocks and splashing high up to shimmer in the sun's rays is breathtaking scenery. The Meenmutty waterfall is situated at the triple point where two other districts, Malappuram and Nilgiri, join Wayanad in its beauty.